Okay guys, so I teamed up with Longqi hair to show you guys how to dye your hair a honey brown. I'm using the Dark and Lovely in honey blonde and the light golden blonde and also Dark and Lovely. Now I'm just showing you guys what the package includes, which is basically just some gloves, instructions on how to dye your hair, along with the developer and the liquid hair color. You're going to first pour the liquid hair color into the developer. The developer is about a 20 to 25 volume. Then you just shake it up until all the contents are mixed together. The bottle comes with like an applicator nozzle, and so I just drizzle that all over the hair. I was at first going to use a brush, but then I decided my hands would be much easier to distribute it. I'm doing this until the hair is completely drenched and saturated in the product, and then I am combing it out just to also just get all the product throughout the hair, because you would think your hair is full of product and the middle will be completely dry. So I just took those same steps and repeated it with each and every single one of the bundles. With the closure, I took the lightest dye that I had, which was the light golden blonde, and I applied it the same way that I applied it to the bundles. You want to make sure that you get near the roots of the hair, because like I said with the bundles, those parts will be dry and they will be dark brown, and you don't want that. Instead of bleaching the closure, I decided to just apply the dye right to the knots of the lace, and this was so effective. I didn't have any over bleaching. I didn't have to worry about that. It came out exactly the color I wanted. And then you just wrap it up and let it sit. I let the hair sit for about 1.5 to 2 hours, and I wasn't happy with the way the color came out. So I bought a Cream of Nature light golden blonde, and instead of using the developer that they gave me, which is probably 20 to 25, I used 40 volume developer. This light hair color also comes with a high lift booster to lift the hair up to a higher level. And this was a gel cream color instead of a liquid dye. So I just took the same steps in mixing it together, applied it to my bundles, and this time I used the applicator brush to distribute it to get a more even dye. I decided to use 40 volume developer to speed up the lifting process, and also using aluminum foil will speed up the lifting process to get your hair lighter faster. With my longer bundles, I just decided to ombre them so that I didn't waste any more products, and just to give my hair a cool effect, and also using aluminum foil, and I can already see a difference. So this is the hair when it's finished, and I completely love the color. It came out really close to what I wanted, and I'm so happy. It looks so pretty. So you see me dyeing this hair, and this is how it turned out. This is the finished product, and I really love it. I really like it. It's like a honey brown, light brownish color, and I'm just super happy with the results. You know, I did expect it to be a little bit lighter, but I anticipated it to be this color. This hair is from Longqi hair. They sent me 4 bundles of Malaysian bodyweight hair. It was 2 bundles of 30 inch and 2 bundles of 28 inch, along with a 20 inch closure. The hair is super duper soft. Mind you, you've seen I dyed it a lot of times, and I put a lot of chemicals on it. And even though the box dyes are ammonia free, the hair didn't get dry. The hair still feels soft. The hair is not damaged. If you do this, you may get a little bit of split ends, but that's nothing that you can't cut off. The hair is super duper soft. I don't know if the wave is still intact, but I think it is, because when I did air dry the hair, I did see a bit of a wave. So I don't think I'm gonna have a stocking cap under this closure, just so that you can kind of see my scalp, so it doesn't look like, bitch, where's your scalp? Hello. Hair is really long. It rests, like sitting down is touching my thighs, so that's going to be a little bit interesting to maintain. I did give this hair a little bit of a light wave. I didn't put any hairspray or anything in it. I just want to see how the curl is going to hold up. It did straighten very nice. It's been a minute since I had Malaysian hair. I usually always go with Brazilian, but yeah, Malaysian is super duper soft and nice. If you use my code Beautybyameera, you will get $4 off your purchase. All the information will be linked below in the description bar, where the direct link to the hair bundles, the company's website. I know they have a bunch of different hair types, bunch of different waves, so definitely check them out. AliExpress is not dead. AliExpress is still lit. These companies are still doing their thing, so definitely check them out. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, and like my Facebook page so you can see whatever I post. I did post this hair when I first got it, right off the pack. But yeah, I am gonna have a lot more videos with this hair, so don't forget to stay tuned. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends so that they can see it and they can buy this hair too. Like, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.